What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, you're probably asking yourself, Caleb, what the hell are you doing under the hood of that car? Well, we've got a lot actually to do, so yeah, back on Project 4 to 8. Let's go. Alright guys, so here is the plan for a day. First and foremost, we got to get the tubular K member out of the car. Like I said, guys, this is for a mod motor. This car was going to be modular swapped at some point. But yeah, if you caught the last upload on 4 to 8, it is officially V8 ready. But now what we've got to do, we got to get the K member in the car that's actually supposed to go in it. And this is out of that 5089 LX. So we've got to get all the old junk off of it, clean it up a little bit. She's going to have new struts on it and everything's going to be right. But this is the K member that's going to go under the car. Just going back stock with, you know, basically new replacement parts. So that's the goal for today. We're going to get this bad boy in the air, get the K member out.
Huh?
Yeah, a little bit higher.
Pretty much stick them under the subframes there. Yeah, go up a little higher. There.
Let her down?
Yeah, let her down. Looks good. In case you need it for, it should come on off, but in case you need it.
Yeah. Come on it. Yeah, it's nice.
Need a thin wall, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna get on it.
Yeah. Barely there. Here's it. Let's go this way. Here we go.
See, it should be close.
There you
All right, boys, so progress. Got the old K member out and about to get the coilovers and stuff out. Get rid of those. And in the meantime, also been doing some, as you clearly saw, doing some cleaning up on the old K member. So, like I said, guys, this is for a mod motor. Those are edge car brakes. None of that stuff was ideal. We're going back with a nice stock, basically original style build. From there you can do anything you want, but there won't be any surprises if you do, you know, if you win the car and you go to do something, it's gonna be all OE parts. So let's get these coilovers off. All right, boys, so round number 1 of pressure washing is done. Tell you, years and years of oil leaking just does a number on them. You can see right there is where most of it is, and then right there by the rack and stuff. It's a dirty job, but it's got to be done. So it's looking 100% better. 100% better. I'm gonna let it soak again with some more simple green, or oh wait, no, this is super clean. Super duper clean. And hit it again here in a little bit. You can already see it's working, that stuff. It's starting to run off, but I'll probably get in here with a Scotch-Brite again and a little more elbow grease, boys. Should be very presentable, and you won't get your hands dirty working on it, which is always a plus. Yeah, that's all it takes. Guys, and you're not even really gonna see this stuff, but it's just a matter of starting off with a clean slate. Because literally, you won't see this stuff. But that's not the point. Do it right the first time. So if you're doing this at home, Scotch-Brite, some Purple Power or Simple Green or Super Clean. Make quick work of that. Pressure washer definitely helps. Pretty much final time, let this thing dry off. You can see all the grease pretty well come off of it. It looks good. I'm gonna get this sway bar off, sand it down, hit it with some black. Those were black like the control arms. Put a new rack in it, new struts, bearings, brakes, and guys, I know this is going back stock, but Dover and I discussed it after giving a good pressure wash to the springs. We're probably going to go ahead and cut at least a coil out, maybe a coil and a half, just to bring it down a little bit, so it's not a total 4x4, make it look good. Drop me a comment below if we should just put it back stock, but I'm thinking maybe cut a half a coil, 3/4 of a coil, just to bring it down a little bit. It'll still ride like stock and handle like stock, but give it a little bit of an altitude adjustment. But guys, the K-member looks phenomenal. It's clean, everything's clean, presentable, ready to go back in the car. Obviously, gotta get the extremities and get the new dust shields and all that. But get that back in there, she'll be good to go. And once we bolt that in, go ahead and get the freshly sealed up engine and all that back in it. It's gonna start coming along really quick. So there you go, boys. That is the Project 4 to 8 update for today. Go back, all of them say Project 4 to 8 and the number, so you can kind of follow along on this build. And very, very excited about how this is coming along. At some point, we're gonna have to start working on paint and body, but guys, the body work is perfect. This car is so straight, and need to do some minor adjustments. You know, they started on the body work, and we're gonna make this a Coyote swap car at some point. That's why we had the tubular K member in it, or somebody had the tubular K member. That's how the car came to us. But yeah, guys, just super clean, 100% completely rust free notchback. And of course, I always have to show you my little part stash. And guys, this is the other thing about it. It's got all the trim in the trunk is in here and clean and right. It's just like, this car just wasn't messed with. And if you're wondering what the color is, There it is. Twilight blue metallic with black tweed interior. This is gonna be freaking sweet. I love it, guys. I'm so excited about this car, and I feel totally honored to be able to build this car and give it away. It's an amazing feeling. And just in case you were wondering, yeah, there's the VIN tag. So there you go, boys. That is the update on Project 4 to 8 as, oh, gotta lock it. There we go. As the build goes along. These will also be filled, boys. It's gonna be a smooth trunk lid. We're gonna have to let Nick work his magic on that, but trunk lid will be smooth. All the moldings will be back trim black. I mean, you're gonna love this thing. So that is what is up, guys. Link is always in the description right under Win Project 4 to 8. It not only helps me do what I do and pay for all of this stuff, but it keeps me on the road and going and being able to get out and do everything. And hopefully it's entertaining to you, because I try, and it is expensive, but hey, it's my dream. So I appreciate everybody that supports me, and somebody is gonna love this car. I'm telling you, I love it. Nice, clean. Okay, I gotta stop. But that is what is up, guys. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Don't forget Ford Takeover, Jackson, Tennessee, Jackson Dragway, June 6th. I rented out the track. Make sure you're there. 4 to 8 will be there. Maybe it'll have an engine in it. I don't know. We'll see. So, okay, that's everything. Later, guys.